So in the engineering world, we don't follow MLA format like you do in your English classes. We use APA format for all of our citations. There's a very simple tool in Google Chrome that I strongly suggest that you use. It will help save you a little bit of time when it comes to researching, and like when we looked at here in our template for the design project report, you will have to at the end list your references. And again, you'll be listing those in APA format. So there are several tools. Many of you have used BibMe before, and there are several others out there. The problem is a lot of them don't allow anything other than MLA unless you pay for it. If you go to Google Chrome and into the App Store, let's see, Web Store, extensions, you're looking for, if you just type in Cite. So it's called Cite This For Me, webciter. They have two different ones. I'm not really sure why this one says free and that one doesn't, but they're both free. This one does have a paid version if you choose to do so, which just gives you extra options later, but you really don't need to pay for it. The free one works just fine, but that's the one that I've installed. It had the higher rating, so that's what I go by. So once it's installed, should be up here on the toolbar somewhere, and it looks like that. So basically, let's say that for this particular project you're exploring what lead credits you can get for increasing the installation of your home that you're designing. So you might have several different websites that you've used to help you come up with your theories, your results, your plan of action. So my suggestion is just keep them open while you have your report open, and then very simply whatever page you're on. So this one here, if I just click on Cite This For Me, and you'll notice up across the top you have all four of the major options for how citations are done. So you can use this for your English class for MLA if you want, but for me you need to use the APA. And it will, if you just switch back and forth, it will regenerate instantly right there for you. So this is your citation, the whole thing. And you can just highlight it and copy, and then you can go to your document and paste it, and there's your first entry. I suggest doing bullets, but otherwise, once you have them all in here, you will put them in alphabetical order based on whatever is first. But otherwise, that's as simple as it can be, and you know it works very quickly on any page that you're currently on. So here's another page, has to do with the R values of the insulation. So click the button, it generates it, and there it is. Copy, paste. Now that's all totally free. You notice it says add to bibliography. So that's if you do happen to pay it. If you did the paid version, then you can actually, it will open up its own website in another tab, and it will generate a completed bibliography if you just click that. So it's a time saver if you choose to pay for it, but again, you don't need to. This works totally well just by copy and paste. And that's a quick, simple tool to help speed up the process and make sure that you have the correct format for whatever it is that you're doing.